This video is sponsored by Phyla. Phyla provides a 3-step acne system that uses clinically proven bacteriophages to kill acne-causing bacteria while still promoting healthy skin microbiome. All of Phyla's products are cruelty-free, non-toxic, and vegan. Use my code CARIBBREW20 for 20% off at phylabiotics.com. Please like and subscribe and continue watching. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My client Shivani is back on my table today so we can show you an advanced cystic acne treatment. This was performed in 50 minutes and features a 30% glycolic peel, which is not ideal for a first-time guest. Please work your client's skin up to this peel and follow up with proper home care. Make sure to check out the first video I did with Shivani, which is linked below, along with all the products used in this facial. Without further ado, let's get into this treatment. The Glymed Plus Mega Purifying Cleanser uses shea butter, lavender, and vitamin E to combat dryness and harmful irritants that lead to premature aging. This creamy, ultra-gentle cleanser instantly dissolves makeup, oil, and debris on the skin. The Phyla Phresh Gel Cleanser removes surface debris and gently exfoliates the skin without causing skin damage or stripping its essential oils. Using salicylic acid, this is a gentle and effective keratolytic that unclogs pores and pushes out dead skin cells. The sorbitol locks in moisture, and tea tree oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to calm the skin and leave it refreshed. Degrease the skin with the Glycolic and Retinol pads for best product penetration. The Skin Script 30% Glycolic Peel and Pomegranate Enzyme are a power duo to brighten and promote cell renewal. Pomegranate Enzyme is a powerful antioxidant that also brightens the skin. Apply a generous layer and massage into the skin for 1 minute. Leave on the skin for 3 to 5 minutes based on client's sensitivity and tolerance, and remove well with water or a neutralizing solution. The Image Clear Cell Restoring Serum is a lightweight, oil-free serum that adds moisture to acne-prone skin without pore-clogging ingredients. Instead, it relies on non-greasy moisturizers and a clinically tested vitamin B derivative to bring balance to acne-prone skin. The Skin Script Seaweed Mask is a gel-based cooling and refreshing mask with ingredients like chamomile, seaweed extract, aloe leaf juice, and tea tree oil. This mask helps to heal chapped and irritated skin and helps calm inflammation. Place your client under blue LED for 8 to 15 minutes to kill unwanted bacteria and to target excessive oil production. The Skin Script Vitamin C Green Tea Serum restores and revitalizes the skin with antioxidants and peptides. It nourishes and supplements the skin with moisture and vitamins for ultimate results. Perform high frequency for 3 to 5 minutes. Toward the end, fold the gauze 2 to 4 times and place onto the more affected areas. The more layers, the more effective zapping will occur. Your client may feel this more, so make sure you tell them ahead of time. The Phyla Phortify Probiotic Serum is a powerful yet gentle acne-fighting serum. This breakthrough bacteriophage technology targets only acne bacteria on the skin so that the good bacteria can thrive. The result is better skin health and a stronger protective outer layer. The Phyla Fluff Moisturizer mimics the bilayer of our skin cells, and the jojoba oil and squalene base deeply hydrates without clogging the skin with excessive oil. Top this with an oil-free SPF for optimal protection.